Hi there, this is Phil for RN Chat, just showing some of you how to use, what tools to use to make the best out of these tweet chats. Using twitter.com isn't always the best. Some of you already know how to do this, but I'm just going to show some about 3 or 4 tools you can use to make the most out of these Twitter chats. One of the things with hashtags is you can use Twitter search to actually search for a term. In the case of RN Chat, we would use the hashtag RN Chat and search for the term. Problem is, Twitter search isn't always the best. A lot of applications that are third party sometimes actually do a better job with search, but it is an option. It's sort of just a standard way to do it. And what you'll need to do is you'll constantly need to refresh your screen. But at least you'll have it here, and if you're logged into Twitter, you can reply to the tweets. If you see something you like, you can reply right here. That's way number 1. Way number 2, which is almost identical, is to actually use Twitter's web page. Go in, type in your search term, in this case RN Chat, and you'll have just the results for the hashtag RN Chat, and you can reply and use it as you typically would. Again, this isn't very efficient because you constantly have to refresh the page, but there's your option. A third way to go is to use a service called TweetChat, which basically is really designed for exactly for these things. Sometimes the service is shaky, but for the most part, I think most people prefer to use this because it's pretty interactive and you can control the fresh. And basically what it'll do is you sign in with your Twitter ID. I'm already signed in to Twitter, so it asks me, do you want to give permission to RN Chat? And I will click allow. And once it authenticates me, it redirects me back to TweetChat. And then what I can do is I can put in the tag. Now in TweetChat, you don't actually put the hashtag. You just put in the term itself. And what it'll do is, there it is, a fairly real time. Over here you can pause it. You can change the refresh speed. You can have every 10 seconds up to a minute. Something like, you pick whatever's good for you. User control. You can block, you can take users, you can block users. That might be fun. I never did that. That's basically a toggle font. These are just some extra features. As you see, it makes it smaller, it makes it bigger, and you can share links. Again, you can post your, you can post your tweet. If in the future we start having real RN chats, you can type in your topic, say topic 1, and then you put your answer or your response answer. That's TweetChat, fairly simple. A third client, there's a lot of clients like this. Hootsuite, CodeTweet is another. CodeTweet allows you to have multiple applications. What's nice here is, again, you can do the search, and you can do the search for the hashtag, and it'll give you results. It may or may not be very real time. Again, you have to refresh, but at least it gives you a simple client that you can use. And then another popular way, although depending on how you have your TweetDeck set up, TweetDeck is an application which allows you to sort into groups, and including search terms. So what you can do with TweetDeck is go in up here, do a Twitter search, type in the hashtag, and what it'll do is over here it sets up a search. Like I said, sometimes there's a little bit of delay. In TweetDeck, you can set how often the API calls to get search terms. The faster it goes, the more APIs, and it may lock you out. In this case, it's acting slow. But at any rate, what would happen is RN Chat would be populated right here, real time. So those are the tools. If you have any questions, hit me up on RN Chat. At RN Chat, or Phil Bauman at Phil Bauman. Let me know how this goes. I wish you luck, and I'll see you later. Have a good day.